What's up, guys, and welcome to the Product Village. Today we're going to be looking at yet another professional microphone from Rode. This time is the NT-USB Plus. Now, this microphone is said to have a number of things like the ultra low noise, high gain Revolution Preamp, high power headphone output with zero latency, internal DSP for studio quality processing, and detachable pop filter and desktop included. Let's open the box and let's verify all these claims, yeah? Yeah, let's do this. Now, there are just three things in the box. There's USB-C to USB cable, there's a Rode microphone itself with a pop filter attached to it, and a stand. That's all. Now, in terms of features, the Rode NT-USB is pretty straightforward. It has a mesh grill. Now, the grill here is not made of any fiber. It's actually metal. Why they did that, I don't know. Because, my fear is after a while, won't it sort of like rust? It actually feels very strong and sturdy. It's metallic, and it has a bluish grill on the microphone itself. And then on the body of the microphone itself, it has three features. First, it has a 3.5 mm jack for headphone monitoring. Then it also has a volume knob for the headphone itself. And then it also has another volume knob for the volume of the mic into the headphones. And basically that's everything about it. It also has a way through which you could mount it on a tripod or on a small tripod like the one that is provided in the casing. And that's basically everything about in terms of the features. Yep, that's all. In terms of specifications, the Rode NT-USB is a cardioid patterned microphone with a frequency of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It also has a bit depth of 24-bit and a sample rate of 48 kHz. In terms of the minimum OS requirement for this microphone is the Mac OS 10.14, Windows 10, iOS 14, and Android 11. In terms of the applications you can use on this or use with this mic, you can use the Rode Central app, the Rode Connect, and the Rode Unify app. Alrighty, now the audio you are listening to is coming directly from the Rode NT-USB Plus. Now, I'm using this mic recording directly into the Rode Unify app. Now, like I said at the very beginning, there are three apps you can use with any of these Rode microphones. You can use the Rode Connect, or the Rode Central app, or the Rode Unify app. Now, if you want to know how to use any of these apps, you can use the link above and watch my review of the Rode Video Mic Go 2. In that video, you get to understand exactly how to use this application. Right now, as you can tell, I'm recording my screen and I'm recording directly into this application. There are tons of stuff in here that you can actually use besides just recording. Normally, on the right-hand side, there are tons of effects that come with the Rode Unify app, and you can decide to, add your own, like click the next page and add all your own sound effects in there. That's like maybe you're using for like a podcast or something. I'm using 4 classic effects. I'm using first and foremost the Aphex Noise Gate, the compressor, the aural exciter, and big bottom. These are industry standard effects, and that's one of the reasons why the audio sounds exactly the way it sounds. So this is basically how to use this microphone, and as you can tell, the microphone sounds good. I really do like the way the microphone sounds. And basically, that's everything about the Rode NT-USB Plus. Now, what do I not like about this microphone? Nothing. I love the microphone. Why? I've been an ardent user of Rode microphones for over 25 years. So I know that Rode has always made it a duty to make sure that their microphones are pristine. They might be slightly pricey, but point is, if you're really going to use a microphone that has a global standard, you should be ready to let go of some dollars. And to be honest, I like the way it sounds. I intend using it in other ways besides just speaking. Who is this for? I think this is for practically every and anyone who has a voice and has something to say. And that's basically it. Now, in terms of pricing, it goes for $169. So I think it's a good buy, considering how you can use this microphone. So if you lay your hands on one of these, please let me know in the comment section. And if you plan to buy this microphone and you have questions, you want to be sure what it does, what else it does, because thing is, I don't have so much time to speak about the entire setup of this microphone. You can also hit me up in the comment section. And until the next review, I'm gonna see you guys later. Ciao.